Huda is brand under QTS Group, which located in Daojiao Town, Dongguan City, Dongguan Province in China. Huda, as a professional test equipment manufacturer, which specializes in designing and producing reliable test machines for over 16 years. The products including temperature humidity test chamber, salt spray test chamber, xenon weathering test chamber, water spray test chamber, thermal shock chamber, UV weathering test chamber, universal test machine, walk-in test chamber, vibration test system, other customized machines, and others. Our product's quality already recognized by Dongguan Quality Testing Institute, Intertek, TUV, SGS, CMTech, CTI, and many third test labs in the global market. All products will be inspected well before shipment. We can also invite third-party calibration company to check the machine's parameters, ensure the machines can fully meet customers' test requirements. In order to service our local customers well, Huda looking for all local agency and distributor in the overseas market. We have a strong team to support our agency. We can provide products training, local exhibition, demonstrate machines, local visiting, and a series supports. Until now, we already have local agency in Bangladesh, Pakistan, Iran, India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, India, and others. Welcome to inquire us if you need any test chambers or have interest to be our agency. Huda would like to establish a win-win situation and long cooperation with all customers.